Hey guys, welcome to Travel Hacks. Today we're going to be folding a hoodie for travel. Subscribe for all the best tips. This method minimizes wrinkles, is compact, and acts as a travel pillow. Let's hop into it. Start by laying your hoodie on a flat surface, zipper side down. Then fold one sleeve across the body of the jacket horizontally. If the sleeves are a little long, fold the sleeves at the elbow at a 90-degree angle going downward. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold the sleeve across the chest, then downward at a 90-degree angle. Imagine lines going down from the shoulders, dividing the hoodie into 3 sections. Starting from the right side, pinch the top and bottom edges and fold over on the right shoulder crease. Then take the left edge of the hoodie, pinching both top and bottom, and fold it horizontally at the shoulder crease, making one long rectangle. Fold the rectangle in half, pinch the bottom edges, and fold the hoodie upward. Align the bottom edge with the top of the shoulder line. Now use the hood as a pocket. Grab the top of the hood and fold it back over the rectangle you just made. Pull the edges of the hoodie over each side to wrap nicely. Flip it over, smooth it out, and then cinch the pocket by pulling the strings. One helpful tip is to prevent wrinkles, make the pocket snug but not too tight. I like to tie the strings in a bow to keep it nice and snug. And there you have it, a folded hoodie that is compact, wrinkle-free, and can act as a travel pillow. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and let me know in the comments where you're traveling to. See you next time.